Meet Chow Mein, impound number A4522858. Chow Mein is a neutered male. He's a tan and black Chow Chow German Shepherd mix. We think he's about 6 years old, and he came to the shelter as an owner surrender on December 14th, so he's been here kind of a long time. But he's a really nice dog. He weighs 65 pounds right now, and he was surrendered because his family was moving, and they didn't make any provisions to bring their beautiful dog. He has medium high energy level. Even though he's a 6-year-old, he still has a lot of energy. He's curious, he's lively, he gets along well with other dogs. He's probably good with older kids. We think because he's kind of big, you know, he might frighten smaller children, but I've seen him be nothing but gentle. So he's just a dog who loves attention. He loves belly rubs. He was on his back a minute ago, just really getting comfortable here with our volunteer. We think he would be just great with an active family. He knows his commands. He knows how to sit. He's treat motivated and takes treats gently, and so we think he would be really a wonderful dog to get into a new home. Walks okay on a leash, and we think that he would be just a wonderful family dog out of the shelter as soon as we can. So come down to the Downey shelter and ask for Chow Mein. He's waiting for his forever home, and you could take him home in one trip because he's a neutered male. One trip down to the shelter and back and out, and he will have a forever home. Well, Chow Mein, look at there you go. Good.